shall we do another one? Let's do page, again, 229, problem 26, which says the SAT reasoning test is perhaps the most widely used standardized test for college admissions in the United States. Scores are based upon normal distribution with a mean of 1,500 and a standard deviation of 300. Clinton College would like to offer honor scholarships to students who score in the top 10% of tests. What is the minimum score that qualifies? So let's think about this again. I always like the diagram, but to me these problems are a lot easier that way. So we know we have 0.55 here. What we're trying to figure out is what's this number where the 10% is represented, and again it's 0.550 over here. So let's plug it in like we did last time. So we got 500 minus the 0.10, 0.5 minus 0.1, as we all know is going to be that's going to be wrong. You know, it's going to be 0.40. Alright, so we know the number we're looking for on our Z table is going to be 0.40 without going over. So let's take a look. So 0.40, 0.40, 0.40. So you can see where 0.40 crosses over the line here. So we're going to use the 0.3997. So our value is going to be 1.28. So we're going to know Z is going to be equal to 1.28 is equal to X, which is what we're trying to solve for, minus 1,500 over our mean of over our standard deviation of 300. So let's start solving for X. So let's bring it across to the 300. And remind you, this is going to be positive because we're on the positive side of the house when we're looking at the way this distribution is. So we're going to go 1.28 times 300 is going to be equal to X minus 1,500. Let's bring the 1,500 across, and then it's going to be 1.28 300 is equal to X. And this is usually plus or minus depending on what side we're in. At least that's the way I remember it. So 1.28 times 300 is 384. So it's going to be plus 1,500 equals X. So we're going to plus the 1,500. So it's going to be 1884. So we know that the score here is going to be 1884. So if a student was to exceed this score and be in the top 10%, they would be the ones that qualify for the scholarship.